Hey guys, it's Dami, and today we have this AirPod Pro 3s from DHgate that I got sent over from my plug as usual. And first, we're going to start with the box of these AirPods. They are one-to-one to the original in terms of the feel and the make. When you open the box or you open the lid, you are greeted by the design by Apple in California paperwork, and then right after that, you do get extra ear tips for these AirPods, like the originals. I think it's from like extra small to like I think a medium or a large on these. So yeah, they do copy the exact same. I can also use the real ones on these ones as well. So nice to know. When it comes to pairing, it's like the real thing. You're gonna open the lid and then you're just gonna double tap on the case like the real thing, and it's gonna pair and sync up to your phone. And then once you go into the settings, you can see it has the Apple Care Plus as well in there. And I did copy that serial number and check it on Apple's website, and it did check as well. Like the serial number matches on the case, the AirPods, and even on the box themselves as well. Features like ANC and transparency also work flawlessly. Transparency, you could hear everything around you. ANC, I couldn't hear anything whatsoever. So I think this would be like good AirPods for like the gym or just using them for, being out and about, basically. And I did try out the stem controls, volume controls work, pause and play work as well using the stem. So that's a good thing. And the link will be in my description. Always go for the best ANC AirPod Pro 3, as that is the exact thing that you're going to get that I'm reviewing in this video. And with all that being said, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, follow, repost, comment. If you have any questions, just reach out to me in the comments and I help you guys. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.